As you can see, the exhaust is stock. But now if we look under, if you can see right there, that is a cutout, exhaust cutout. It's been welded onto the stock exhaust pipe. It basically acts as a valve. So when it's closed like it is right now, the exhaust basically acts as if it's stock. And when it's open, then it acts as if, similar to a muffler delete. So the exhaust becomes much louder and the sound of the car becomes much different. So let's take a look at how it works and we'll do some sound clips. So right now I put the key in the ignition. This is the remote. If you can see, it says on and off basically on it. Now right now the exhaust is off, but I'm gonna press on and it will open. Just like that. So I pressed on the remote and that's completely open. But you can also stop it in between depending on the kind of sound you want. Alright, so this is going to be from inside the car. All windows closed and stock exhaust. Now we'll do the same thing but with the cutout open.